Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn open a page rule, how that works, and we are also going to see how the close pop-up over and bottom sheet rule works in UiPath Apps. Okay, so that's the agenda for today. Now for this, what I'm going to do, I am going to use a small button. Now with this button, I am going to show the demo of open a page. Okay, first of all, let's see how to open a page. Then I'm going to talk about close popover and bottom sheet. What is it? So for this, let's rename it, and I'm going to say open a page. Done. And click on this button, go to the event and create a rule. Here I'm going to say open a page. Now this particular page requires you to have already some pages that you would like to open. For example, somebody clicking on a button, some other page that opens up right on a website you have seen. Now for this understanding, to understand that specific part, I'm going to click on page and I'm going to select, let's say, the dashboard page. This is a template. I'm going to use that. Okay, yeah, now it got added. Now what I want, when someone clicks on the button, open page button, that should automatically open the dashboard page. Now to do that, all I have to do, event edit rule, and here in the open a page rule, all I have to do, select the dashboard page. Now there are a couple of options over here: show as pop-up over, show as bottom sheet, prevent close on click. So what are all this we are going to see. Now let's say I'm not going to select anything over here. I'm going to simply click on preview. Now look at on my screen. I'm going to click on open a page. Now by doing that, it has actually, what it has done, it has brought the entire page over. So how do I go back? Either I have to use a back button of the browser to come back, but this is what I don't want. I want in a different way. It should appear in a pop-up window, right? Sometimes somebody clicks on a login button, then you have seen a pop-up window would come and allows you to log in. I want a similar kind of a design. Now to achieve that in UiPath Apps, there is a great option available here: show as pop over. Okay, so what is the meaning of modal? Modal means when the page, when the pop-up opens, the backside page will be completely disabled. Okay, it will be disabled. So all I'm doing, show as pop-up over modal. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit on preview. By enabling this option, show as pop over, look at what's going to happen the moment I'm going to click on this button. So you can see the backside web page has been disabled. You can see it is grayed out, and only thing that you see is a pop-up window. So this is fantastic. Anytime you need this kind of a design, this will be pretty helpful. Okay, now the moment I click outside, the page goes. If I click on the button again, the page appears. The moment I click anywhere outside, the page automatically closes. What if I want to stop that behavior? There's an option here called prevent close on click. Okay, I'm going to enable it. I'm going to hit on preview now. Now look at it, what's going to happen. I'm going to click on open a page. So the page has opened up. Now if I click outside, it doesn't close, right? Now if it doesn't close, then you'll have a question, Rakesh, then how one would close, because I don't see a X button here, right? Do you see any X button? No. So I don't have option to even close this. Now for this, we have a button called, we have another rule called close popover and bottom sheet. So first of all, let's see what is this bottom sheet. Okay, there's another thing that we need to cover. It's called show as bottom sheet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this show as bottom sheet and hit on preview. The only thing that's going to happen is the window would appear from the bottom. Okay, at the bottom or from the bottom, it's going to appear depending on the size of the page. So look at it. The moment I am going to click on open a page, what happened? From the bottom, you can see the page has appeared. So that is the difference. Now here it doesn't allow me to close the page. Now in such a case where you do not want the user to close a page just by clicking outside, you wanted to have some button over here which would, the moment user clicks on it, it should automatically close. Now to achieve this, we have to use another rule. Okay, so that rule, how do I am going to use, in the page which you would like to close, in that particular page I am going to add a small button, and I'm going to drag and drop that button. Okay, now let me drag and drop the button somewhere on the page. Okay, here for this button I'm going to name it as close. Okay, you can change the color and all of these things. So here I'm saying close. Select this button, go to the event of the button and create rule. Here there is another rule called close popover. So you understood what is a popover, right? And you also understood what is a bottom sheet. Just a few minutes back we saw it. I'm going to use this rule. Simply use this rule, and I'm going to, there's not, nothing, there's no other option apart from enable, disable and delete. Okay, so there's no other option. So all I have to do is close it. Okay, close it and go to the main page. Look at it, what's going to happen now. I'm going to hit on preview. Now look at it, I'm going to hit on open a page. So the page has opened. Now in this page I have given an option for the user to close. Okay, so I'm going to hit on close and this page gets closed. So this is a proper way that we can utilize all this close pop-up over and open a page. It works together, right? Open a page and close pop-up. If you like to close it, then do this, or else you have a, so many times you do not want the user to click outside and close something, right? So that's where you'll be using the close popover and bottom sheet. So thank you guys for watching. We're going to meet once again in our next content. Till then, take care. Bye bye.